Hello Fly Babies, hello patrons. Today we continue in the wisdom of finally loving yourself, and today we're talking about planning and desk day. So what are the steps to planning and desk day? Planning and desk day means that after you've done your morning routine and you've done your zone for the day, then you go straight into planning and desk day, one of the basic weekly plan items. And so you'll go to your refrigerator, you'll check to see that anything that needs to be taken out of the fridge and disposed of is gone. If there are any milk or jam stains or whatever on the glass, that you wipe them off, or on the racks, whatever, you wipe that down a little bit, kind of reorganize your fridge a tiny bit and make room, because you're going to get groceries tomorrow. Also, you're going to take inventory. Do you need some butter? Do you need milk? Do you need eggs? Do you need carrots? What are the normal things that you keep in there? Next thing you're going to do is check the inventory of your freezer and your pantry, and then you're going to go straight from that to making up a menu based on the foods that you already have in your home. And then you're going to make a grocery list based on what you don't have to complete that menu. I also want you to look at your budget to make sure that you're staying in budget on your groceries. I always recommend at least $1 below. That's your goal. And also make sure that that budget is appropriate for the rest of the week, whatever you have planned. You're going to balance your checkbook and pay bills today. It's also the day you're going to look at your inbox. The inbox is where you put all of the papers that require action that you've been decluttering from your home or from the mailbox. So not junk. Junk doesn't go in there. That goes in the garbage. This is things that require action. So maybe you need to call the teacher, or put an appointment in your planner, or call for an appointment, or dispute a payment, a bill, or whatever it is that requires action. That's what you're going to do. Make an appointment. That's what it goes. Also in your action file would be anything that action planner, action inbox, would be anything that needs to go in your file. Remember, when you file broadly. So it'll be very simple to file things away. So if you maybe have something for taxes for 2019, that goes in your 2019 tax folder. Maybe you got your baby's birth certificate, that goes in the family folder. Things that need to be filed. Don't file trash. If you don't know what to file and it has to do with taxes, Google it. It's a very simple process nowadays. Okay, that's it. That is planning and desk day. This is a day where you take it slow. This is a day where you plan on staying home. If you need to pick the kids up from school, take the kids to school, take somebody to a doctor's appointment, that's fine. But other than that, this is the day you plan on staying home. This is a quiet day at home to plan to pay your bills, to putter about a little bit. Okay? Because sometimes balancing a checkbook, making a menu, making a budget, or sticking to your budget, reevaluating your budget, takes a little bit of time. It's not something you can rush through. Although I will say, when you're doing this every single week, it will get easier and easier and take less and less time. Now click the link and go over and watch Nikki and Inspired by Nikki as she interprets planning and desk day in videography. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful.